your life vest. The boat's moving, Cyrus. Good job cleaning up the deck, baby.
Clean the deck. Clean the poop deck.
Yeah. Eat the rest of that one.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to put on your swimsuit?
You gotta put little Gaby Monster faces on the lips.
No. No, put little dog faces on there. Or cat faces. Cat faces. No, it's okay. It's allowed on YouTube.
It's allowed on YouTube?
Yep.
Oh, we're moving. We're sitting on the bow of the boat.
Oh, hi, Cyrus.
Oh, Cyrus is here. Cyrus, batten down the hatches. All right, here we go. Dad is up there with our captain, Carlos, who's doing an amazing job.
You think we should go get the fish rods now?
Not yet. We just started, boy.
Dave, hold on just a second. We're gonna go.
Yeah, sit down. Here we go. So we have just set sail. Cyrus wants us to look at the big cruise ship. Okay, here we go.
I think the white one's something. Who knows?
This is an amazing cruise ship. Look how big it is. Every single room has a balcony. Every single room.
No, it isn't. Like that one always has a balcony.
Yeah, but not every room.
Every room has a balcony. How old is this city? Karen, do you know?
1,000 years.
We do know that Christopher Columbus was born in Genoa.
Pushing me,
Oh, it's the
Cyrus.
Scarlet Lady.
Oh, it does say the Scarlet Lady on that cruise ship.
She's a virgin. Oh no. I'm being lied to.
I want to go to an island.
We are. So we're going to go to an island and we're going to go fishing. And we're going to go snorkeling. Hey, Dad, what are you eating? Focaccia bread? Ooh. Is it good?
Excellent.
Can I try some?
I think it has olive oil or something. And it has no calories.
Calorie free.
Look at that.
Wow. That looks amazing.
I want to go now. Now the camera, I'm going to say. Hello, everybody. Today we're going to the secret island in Genova. Genova.
Yeah?
More like secret. Stay on the battle. Stay in the battle.
All right, go sit down. You got to sit down if you're in the front of the boat.
I want to touch the sand.
Yeah, you'll be able to.
When? Hit that wall?
Let me go swimming.
Hi. Welcome. This is pretty. Okay, whatever. You like
You want
the
to go
wave?
sunbathe?
I want to jump through the window. Can I jump through? Even when there's moving? That would be awesome. Right, Mom?
Right.
It'll be like a flying kind of. Because when you jump, Mommy, you kind of fall off the boat. Like that, Mom, right? Because the boat is moving by itself, and when you jump, it's not moving with you.
Right.
Oh, nothing happened.
There's the beach.
Can we go to the beach?
Yeah, so when we go to stay at the Marriott, we'll stay at the beach. We might not stay there. We might just go to Pisa.
The Tower of Pisa?
Yeah, you want to go see the Tower of Pisa?
Can you see it?
Not here. It's not here. We're not in Pisa. We're in Genoa.
You know that. The Tower of Pisa. Why is it pizza, not pizza? Mom.
I don't know. Oh, here comes some wake.
Oh no!
There we go.
Can it hit us?
Yeah, look.
It's not gonna hit us. Oh, we're wobbling. Hitting.
Are you resting? Hey, Gaby, I like your life vest.
I'm doing a video.
It has a survival whistle.
I can also make a song out of it.
You could. Okay, now we're just gonna put it away because it makes a lot of noise. Only use it if we need it.
It's a call for help.
Yeah, only for emergency. Because if you blow it and it's not an emergency, then
It's a
all
boy
the
who cried wolf. Remember that
all the
story?
people will come to help you. Okay.
The boy who grind wolf. Let me see what I look like.
How can you see what you look like? Sing a song for me.
No.
Let's sing.
No!
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. No.
No, put, I want to see the camera. Put it on.
Okay, let's see what it looks like through the glasses. Oh, look at that. Now you got your shades on.
Good camera. Isn't everything orange camera?
Yeah, everything is darker.
No, everything's orange. The water is orange.
The water is orange. The water looks very blue to me.
Yeah, when you don't have the glasses on.
Yeah. Okay, let's look it through the camera. What does the water look like through the camera? Here,
Okay, give me the GoPro.
right here. Watch.
Give me the, I want to see it. Can I see?
Oh, what does it look like? It's got.
Let me see. Somebody told it to don't wanna hold me the sun. Thought I love me the clouds.
That's another village.
Oh, look, a village.
And the yellow building was the
Oh, wow.
my son's school. Oh,
Oh, at Mysore School.
Somebody told it to don't wanna hold me.
Wow, Robbie, get a picture of it.
Can I take my life jacket
Nope.
off and put it back on when I need it?
Nope, you might need it. You never know when you're going to fall in.
I'm not. I've done it. Can you take
Real.
It's making me uncomfortable.
Well, look at this village.
That means to take it off. Take off. Take off.
That wall with the big arches. And I'm not talking about the golden arches. The wall with the big arches.
I want to buy. Can we go?
McDonald's.
Can we go to the beach and get a palm tree and get a coconut?
Oh, I don't know if they have coconuts here. I think these might be date palms. Wow, look at that blue water.
Yeah, that looks. I think this might be the stopping spot, right, Mom?
Look, there's a cave over there.
Do it, Mom.
I don't know, maybe. Oh, look at the train.
Ooh, trains here?
Yeah.
What is that?
Right on the coast. That's pretty cool.
I thought there was only a boat here and cars. Mom,
Yeah, they got trains too.
they got everything. They got volcanoes, earthquakes, tornadoes,
Trains.
oh, and meteor showers.
What?
And
Oh, I think this is a swimming spot. He turned the engine off. Uh-oh. Look
is
at.
this a swimming spot?
I don't know. We'll find out. That's only emergencies.
I know. I want to blow it when I go in the water.
All right. Well,
It tastes bad.
it's gonna taste like salt.
Yeah, it does. He's got a big anchor that's strong.
Let's see. Hold on.
It's like a pirate shoes. I want to see the anchor. Like, there's an anchor there.
Yeah, that's where the anchor is hidden.
I'm just gonna. I think Dad said he's gonna do a double backflip into the water.
I figured it out what I did.
Oh.
We're drifting, Carlos. Whoa!
Whoa, wobbly. Woo!
Hey, 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 hey!
Hold on tight.
Hold on to this. This is stronger than the rope.
Hey, Daddy-o.
Who wants to go fishing?
Can we go fishing? Can we go?
Yeah,
Woo!
jump in.
I'm not gonna jump.
You can.
Wait, Gabe, hold on. He is way too excited.
Ooh, nice. Nice.
Wait, come here.
Wait, come here.
Yeah.
Just jump in before
here.
you feel it.
Good.
I open the door. For you.
Turn off the propeller so you don't get
Chopped in half.
chopped up into fish bait.
You almost stepped on the glass.
We don't want any fish bait.
He's gonna be fishy. Fish food.
He's gonna jump easy.
Wait.
I don't want to jump. Why would I jump? It's cold water.
It's not cold.
Yes, it is.
Oh wow, he opened the gate for you.
You're doing that?
Thank you very much.
It's warm.
Just jump across.
Don't even feel it. Just jump in.
Just jump in, Gabriel.
All right, hold on. Let me get over there.
I
It is
want Kieran
okay.
to go first.
No, I want you to go first.
But on the sharks,
The sharks are not there.
you can find here.
Gabe's a
Full
shark.
of sharks.
Come on, he's kidding.
Gabe, jump
Shark
in.
bait.
You
You
jump-
need shark bait.
Jump
You
in
go.
or you're a
I
noob.
don't want to go. You go.
Okay, boo.
There you go.
Jump in.
I'm scared. You jump in.
È un paese che aiuta le famiglie in difficoltà con
All right,
le
go Cyrus.
non solo con le parole. È l'Italia dell'8 per 1000 alla Chiesa Cattolica, un paese che ha costruito ieri, combattuto oggi e tornerà a sognare domani.
I got it on video.
I'm recording you on YouTube.
So nice.
Isn't it nice?
Oh, I needed this.
Good.
Right?
So Cyrus dropped his snorkel.
No, Gabe did.
Or Gabe did. Gabe dropped his snorkel in the bottom of the water.
No, not by accident.
And it's about 7 meters. So we are going to have a contest to see who can get the snorkel.
Pick me.
It's cold.
It's cold down there? All right, go, Karen.
Can I get out?
Oh, they ran into each other. All right, that didn't work.
I forgot how to breathe.
You can't breathe underwater.
Actually, you can with the snorkel.
It's deep, huh?
Thanks, Gabe. It looks close.
7 meters is pretty far.
Mom, I don't know how to do this.
We'll put it on your face. Okay, I'm going in a second.
Yeah, it's too. You said stop recording me.
This is supposed to be fun, Cyrus.
No, it's not. It's not enjoyable at all.
Would you like a mask?
Yes.
Got a fishing rod.
Gaby got a fishing rod. Gaby, you gonna catch a shark?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think we're swimming in shark-infested waters?
We're going fishing.
The one was just.
Gaby, you're fishing!
How do you do that? Brad, anyone? Give me a friend.
Daddy-o,
I'm a fishing now.
you're fishing? Fishing with a camera. What do we see here? Oh, look at the fish!
I'm going fishing.
They're eating the bread. Whoa! They're fighting over it.
It's gone.
Wow. That was so cool.
What?
Oh, look at the big blue ones. Wow. Wow, they devoured that. Gone.
It was that.
Would you like me to make you a sandwich?
Sandwich?
A sandwich. That's New York. That's how you say sandwich in New York.
Sandwich.
A sandwich. Hey, Gaby, tell me what you're doing.
Fishing.
You're fishing? What are you doing with that bread?
You're making a bait.
A bait out of bread?
Katie loves bread.
It's another one!
lots of this. They did lots of things.
I think the falls, let me know. I gotta jump in.
Let's try to put the camera in. All right, so we got the camera in the water, but we're not gonna put it underwater because I'm pretty sure the GoPro 8 is waterproof, but I don't know for a fact. And I don't want to ruin it because I just paid a lot of money for it. So here we go. We're gonna get Kieran to jump in. So here we go. We got the GoPro. So this is our boat that we've been on. Let's show everyone our boat. So this is the boat we've been fishing off of and jumping and swimming and all kinds of fun.
Gaby Monster, if you drop that.
No, I'm not gonna drop it. Cyrus, can you jump in? So this is our awesome, super awesome Riviera 34 boat. Right? This is awesome sailboat that we are hanging out on. This is so amazing. We are in Italy, in Genova, swimming and sailing off of the Italian Riviera.
No one cares.
I care. This is so cool. Who ever thought that we would ever be doing this?
There's a jellyfish right next to you.
Wait!
No, I thought there was a jellyfish.
No, I'm serious.
Oh, it's okay. Jellyfish are my friends.
There's so many!
I know.
Absolutely amazing. Oh, what are you doing, Dad? You're feeding the fish? Let's see. Oh, they're jumping all around you, Gaby. Oh, hold on.
They're just getting harmless.
No, they can't. Alright, so this is the back of the boat. Where are they? Where are they?
They're under.
Oh, I can't see them. Alright, show me what you see, guys.
What?
Yes, it is. You gotta do, I'm the king of the world. Da na 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 na, I see you. I feel you. Da 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 da. Go on, do it, king of the world. No, you gotta do it now. Oh.
I know, that's perfect. Come on.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. That is how I don't know. No matter. Wait, you gotta blow your whistle. Jack! Jack! Blow. Wait, blow your whistle. Jack! I'm here! Wait, Gabe, turn around. Say, Jack! Oh, and Gaby gets rescued. You're silly. Yeah?
It's like a sprinkler, look.
I don't get those with water.
You want to be my rose?
No. Promise.
Oh, look, guys, Kieran is coming out of the hatch. Dude, you don't stick your tongue out. You're not retarded, Jack. Come on. Jack wasn't retarded. Come on! Jack the tree! What are you doing? You can go backwards? Oh my god, what are you doing? Yeah, that's not a good idea. Oh, careful, Dad! Dad, remember your legs. Yeah. Oh, that's funny.
Which one, Willis?
Gaby's gonna jump.
Here.
God. Okay, put your arms out. I'm the king of the world.
3, 2, 1.
Nice jump.
Awesome.
Awesome. Now you gotta go in the front and do it.
No.
Do it. You should jump.
Thank you for watching Gaby Monster. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.